News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Manoj Singh Rana giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we'll be discussing about vacancies in Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, Thanjavur, Secunderabad Cantonment Board, Dr. Shakuntala Mishra National Rehabilitation University, Lucknow, Sainik School, Imphal, Manipur, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, Press Council of India, Directorate General Border Security Force, SJVN Limited, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal and Sahitya Akademi. Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, an autonomous research educational institute under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India invites applications for the post of director. The institute offers B.Tech, M.Tech, PhD programs and conducts research for identifying technologies for food processing, preserving, value addition, byproduct utilization through bioprocessing, process and product development and food safety and quality. The institute also undertakes short-term training and extension. The functions of director include to plan, guide, direct, supervise, administer and coordinate academic research and extension activities of the institute and to perform any other duty assigned by the governing body of the institute. Application in prescribed pro forma may be sent to the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of issue of this advertisement in employment. Online applications are invited for direct recruitment to the following vacant posts in the Secunderabad Cantonment Board through recruitment portal, that is www.cantboardrecruit.org. 4 posts of Assistant Cantonment Planner, 2 posts of Assistant Engineer Civil, 1 post of Sanitary Inspector, 5 posts of Assistant Medical Officer, 2 posts of Pharmacist, Allopathy, 2 posts of Nurses, 1 post of Lab Assistant, 5 posts of Dresser and 2 posts of Ward Servant. The interested candidates fulfilling the eligibility criteria can apply online from the 1st of August 2021 to 21st of August 2021. The candidates are required to visit portal www.cantboardrecruit.org and www.secunderabad.cant.gov.in for detailed advertisement or latest updates or any corrigendum regarding recruitment process. Dr. Shakuntala Mishra National Rehabilitation University, Lucknow invites online applications from Indian citizens for the post of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for the following courses. 1 post of Professor, Prosthetics and Orthotics, 1 post of Professor, Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, 1 post of Associate Professor, Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, 1 post of Associate Professor, Prosthetics and Orthotics, 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, 2 posts of Assistant Professor, Prosthetics and Orthotics, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Clinical Psychologist, and 1 post of Assistant Professor, Linguistics. The educational qualifications, mode of recruitment, application form, application fee, general instructions, and other detailed information is available on the website www.dsmru.up.nic.in. Online application portal shall remain open from the 20th of July 2021 to 19th of August 2021. The last date for submission of the hard copy of the online application form along with necessary enclosures is the 26th of August 2021. Sainik School, Imphal, Manipur. Under Sainik School Society, the Ministry of Defence, Government of India invites applications for the following posts. 1 post of Lab Assistant Biology, 2 posts of General Employee Regular and 13 posts of General Employee Contractual. Eligible and interested candidates may apply with complete biodata as per format given in school website www.ss.infalnic.in. Applications completed in all respects must reach Principal Sainik School Imphal within 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the Employment News. The application may also be sent online at the school email ID, that is principalssimphal@gmail.com. Applications are invited from eligible executives for appointment to 1 post of Chief Risk Officer, 3 posts of Cluster Controller Finance and 6 posts of Senior Manager Finance for Energy Efficiency Services Limited to be posted anywhere in India. Last date for online registration and submission of applications is the 10th of August 2021. For more detail, please visit www.eeslindia.org. The Press Council of India, an autonomous body set up under the Press Council Act 1978, invites applications from eligible Indian citizens to fill up 1 vacancy of Principal Private Secretary on deputation basis. Prescribed application in the format along with copies of requisite self-attested certificate, date of birth, experience, etc. should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication in the Employment News. The details may be seen on the website of the Council, that is www.presscouncil.nic.in. Director General Border Security Force invites applications on prescribed pro forma from serving or retired eligible candidates belonging to various ministries or departments of Government of India, or state government, or public sector undertakings for filling up the following posts. 2 posts of Captain or Pilot, Deputy Inspector General, 11 posts of Commandant Pilot, 2 posts of Second in Command Pilot, 13 posts of Deputy Commandant Pilot, 4 posts of Deputy Chief Engineer Commandant, 14 posts of Senior Aircraft Maintenance Engineer or Senior Aircraft Radio Maintenance Engineer, Second in Command, 4 posts of Junior Aircraft Maintenance Engineer or Junior Aircraft Radio Maintenance Engineer, Deputy Commandant, 1 post of Commandant, Chief Logistic Officer, and 1 post of Equipment Officer or Senior Stores Provisioning Officer, Second in Command. Detailed advertisement containing post-wise eligibility conditions and prescribed format of application is available on BSF website www.bsf.nic.in. For any inquiry, contact telephone number 011 2436 4851 to 55, extension 2381 and 2380. SJVN Limited intends to engage manpower on fixed tenure basis in various disciplines. The engagement shall be purely temporary and on contract basis for an initial period of 3 years. The contract period can further be extended on yearly basis for 2 more years, depending upon the work requirement and performance of the individual. 30 posts of Field Engineer Civil, 20 posts of Field Engineer Electrical, 10 posts of Field Engineer Mechanical, and 4 posts of Field Engineer IT. For detailed advertisement and applying for above posts, please visit SJVN website www.sjvn.nic.in. Closing date for submitting applications through website is the 17th of August 2021. The Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, the Ministry of Law and Justice, invites application for 1 post of Assistant Director Official Language and 2 posts of Senior Hindi Translator on deputation basis for a period of 3 years. The details of vacancies and application pro forma may be downloaded from the website, that is www.itat.nic.in. Sahitya Akademi, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and is fully funded by it, invites applications for 1 post of driver on direct recruitment basis. The application in the prescribed format is given on Akademi's website www.sahitya-academy.gov.in, along with self-attested copies of certificates of qualifications, experience, etc. should reach the concerned authority within 30 days' time from the date of publication of this advertisement. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, and made available every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We'll meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News, This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.